Vehicles, why they don't turn back, trucks and so. What else? But that side seems like more smaller vehicles were over that side, so I don't know. I still see a lot of them over there still. Maybe they're thinking it's something that can, you know, get fixed immediately, so they're still waiting. Yeah, but I don't do that. Oh my God. Them girl there, how would they come from us? So I have to make vehicle call left them here so. And then afraid to walk across. They could have walked across and get a vehicle that is turning back, you know. But they kind them scared. So yeah guys, one shot live. Oh, a matter of fact, support the live goals guys. Start a fresh goal. Okay, I didn't even notice that. What is this change up or something? No, not hard, but anyway, make it stay. The mermaid, them a look. Hi, sir. What's the name of the truck? Oh, me for know. I not see the name and I cannot see it. And I support the live goal. But them would spell. My mark on the truck. We cannot see it. We not see nothing. Truck block up. Traffic build up. Not really. No. Not really. The traffic is very small. I guess people turn back already. They're trying to see if they can pull it up though. That trailer, I don't know if you see that trailer head over there, but it's trying to help do something. So let me see what's gonna happen, guys. Oh, this not come up yet. Funny time. So far, I put it back. Sure. Yes, I'm a gaze. I don't think he was gazing now. What happened here now? Take a good look. What's in the truck? Nothing. Holy shoot. Oh my, again. Yes, again. Look for them, I work hard. You know. It's the Clash truck. I know to communicate. I don't know. What's going on? That trailer head seems to be trying to help. Move love ads. Alright, nothing was coming. Alright, nothing was coming. Oh, go on. I can't see it. I don't know. Big bad. Duppy them hungry. Oh God. Come on guys, send a gift for me. I got any live. I'm gonna have to go watch you over YouTube. What a person name? Duppy like mackerel. Yes, mackerel shot this? Ha ha ha. Ah God. What the hell? We want Rasta drive it. I know me never see driver. I drive a busy at work. I try to get it to go back on the road. That's what's going on. Thank you for the I don't even know what I give the name, but thank you. No man, you know from when me I try back up this damn foolishness and I back up, I'll plug out it Ross, you know. Wait, I will send them traffic and then I say, oh rotted. Them probably don't know say block off. Guys, share your live, guys, share your live. Make people know say roadblock so then if you got the toll, take it toll. Come guys, share your live. And not even police are there on the scene, so share your live. In the name of Jesus. Nice. Come on, I said. Alright, I like how you guys share up the live, man. Make people know about that waste them time. Come round here, watch ya. And them have to turn back. Come on, share up the live. Make people know, say, take it toll. Take it toll, nobody can waste no time. Go and go cook on the dinner and get on a good night rest. Nobody can waste time around here, so because this time I move till the next 3 hours. Thanks for the roses, honey bunny. Right. Me I try. No, sir. Come on. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Alright, the police will come on. Alright. Oh, shit. No, me bring it too far. Shit. For the persons that asking what's in the truck, I don't have a clue. And that's none of my business. I don't care to know. Thank you for the gift, 876 Easy Morris. How long it just happened like maybe how long now me alive? Cause it's about 8 o'clock it happened. Alright, let me say guys, if you don't want to see the video, go over to my YouTube channel and check it out tomorrow, not tonight, tomorrow. Because I'm going to post it over there. Well, at night, so I don't think it got 100% clear, but the camera is a good camera, so just open up your eye. Zook is so forward. Omar Clarks, alright, big up. But remember, say, you have to drive a back walk side, you know, because I back part. What? Every time? What is happening? What is happening, Mobi? One streaming light, don't. Go look over here. Peter got him over the light now. Oh, that's fine there. What a night this man. I mean, just one cool down here and I have to say, 9 o'clock long, you know.